Use the diagram below to find how high the end of a 54-foot ramp is when the tipping angle is 30 degrees. So my 54-foot ramp is right here. And notice that, that ramp is right here in this picture, so it's the same ramp. So this is 54 feet. And they tell us that my tipping angle down here is 30. All right. So I have a right angle right here. This is 90. This is 30. So this has to be a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. I have the side that is across from my 90. If you remember from your special right triangles that in order to get the side that is across from your 30, you just have to cut this side in half. 54 divided by 2 is 27. So the height of this ramp would have to be 27 feet.